In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to co-watch YouTube videos with Google Meet. This will be a quick and easy guide, so let's get started. First, you'll need to have Google Meet up and running. Head over to the Google Meet website. You can do this by opening a browser and typing Google Meet, or simply clicking this link if you're following along online. Once on the page, you might notice a grid of small squares in the top right corner of your screen. This is often referred to as the waffle icon, and it's key to accessing various Google applications. Go ahead and click on that icon. After clicking the waffle icon, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Look for the Chrome Web Store icon among them. This is the place where we're going to find the necessary tool that will allow us to enjoy YouTube videos together over Google Meet. Click on Chrome Web Store and prepare to browse through its offerings. With the store open, now it's time to search for the MetaStream application. You'll find a search bar likely at the top or at the side of the window. Click into the bar and enter MetaStream. What we're specifically looking for is MetaStream Remote, which is an extension designed to help facilitate group viewing experiences. Type it out, hit enter, and give it a moment to show the results. Scrolling through the results, you'll spot something labeled MetaStream Remote. This is exactly what we need. MetaStream Remote is an extension that syncs video playback in real time, making it perfect for co-watching sessions. Click on it, and you should see an option to add it to your browser. Go ahead and click to add this extension. Once MetaStream Remote has been installed, you might notice a small icon appearing in your browser's toolbar, typically to the right of your address bar. This indicates that the installation was successful, and you are now ready to begin your shared viewing experience. With MetaStream installed, open a new Google Meet session and invite your friends or colleagues, whoever's joining you in this virtual watching party. Once everyone's in the meeting, you can all head over to YouTube, pick a video to watch, and use the MetaStream Remote extension to share it. And there you have it, you've now set up a seamless way to enjoy YouTube videos with others through Google Meet. It's a great way to connect and share experiences with friends, family, or co-workers, regardless of where they are in the world. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy viewing.